How to fix couldn't load users on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix couldn't load users on Instagram. So before starting the video, so I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, basically here this problem arise due to several reasons. Example, if your internet connection is not in a good connectivity, then these problems arises. So the second thing is that what you can do here is that I'm going to show you in this video. You just need to go to settings on your device, and after going to settings, go to one options, that is apps or install apps. Okay, just go here and go to manage apps or app list. So guys, here different in different for devices there will be different words like install apps or apps manager, app list, or something like that related to apps. Now here you have to search for Instagram on your device on your list, and then here let me just search for Instagram. If you don't find Instagram here, then what you can do is that you can see I have successfully got the Instagram. But if you don't find this, you can just search from the search bar here, simply tap on it, and here you can see you'll find one option. You can find one option, that is storage. Simply tap on storage, and then here you can see on the bottom clear data, and in other device it will be on upside or in the middle. So you just need to click on clear data and make sure to clear all the data here. So after clearing the data, just go back and go to this another option, that is app permission option. Simply tap on app permission, and here you have to allow each and every permission. Now you can just go back and check whether the problem has been solved or not. Guys, if the problem is solved, then that's great, and if it is not solved, then the last and the final tricks that's gonna be work for you 110% sure, that is you have to uninstall your Instagram from your device. You have to delete it, and then you have to go to Play Store, and then you have to download the Instagram again. And then here after downloading, you have to just switch off your phone and then switch on it, and then you can try it out. This gonna work for you. So thanks for watching guys, see you soon in the next video.